Well, it's been over 5 days after the horrific rape and murder of a trainee doctor in the government-run hospital in Kolkata, and the case which has now been handed over to the CBI on directions of the Calcutta High Court. Despite the parents of the victim and political leaders and even some of the very same hospital, people who have been alleging that there could be more than one accused who could be involved. There is, however, only one arrest that has been made in the case, and the prime accused has been identified as Sanjay Roy. A team of the CBI which arrived in the city this morning has been handed over the custody of the prime accused. Kolkata police had the custody till the 23rd of August. Once his custody will get over, the CBI will produce him in the relevant court in Kolkata. Sources say the CBI will also go through the statement of the witnesses recorded by the police with a special crime unit, then will establish the sequence of events. Remember, the CBI, which had taken over the case on the observations and the directions that were made by the Calcutta High Court. While the victim's body was found with several injury marks, yet police ordered inquest proceedings. The first call that was made to the police last Friday was about 10 a.m. Amid the criticism over the lapses, there is another shocker from the hospital. The same hospital which has apparently demolished the wall of the adjacent room to the crime scene. The hospital has said the walls were demolished as part of the civil work that was being carried out, but the protesting doctor says this amounts to tampering of evidence.
Whether there was any fixing or whether there was an attempt to tamper the evidence or alter the place of occurrence altogether or not, that has to be investigated. Now I demand to CBI that CBI, being an independent agency, they will at least interrogate this principal who has not been interrogated for the last 4-5 days.
Well, we have Shreya and Tapas both joining us live right now. Shreya, please help us understand as far as the college is concerned, and what exactly is this work that is being now done in the room close to where the crime happened? Was it ongoing, or this is a sudden development that has now taken place?
Well, of course, we see that the hospital is now renovating the walls in the chest medicine department. Now, remember, it is happening just few meters away from the place of occurrence. Although we see that the place of occurrence is being sealed and there are police and civic volunteers who are sitting there, but still we see some kind of renovation work is going on, and the BJP questions and says that this is an attempt by Mamata Banerjee's Sarkar, keeping both the Kolkata police and the municipality in loop to tamper with the evidence. Remember, first when Mamata Banerjee said that the case will be handed over to the CBI on that of Sunday, that time also BJP came out to say that what Mamata Banerjee is trying to do is that she is trying to buy more time for Kolkata police to tamper with the evidence. Now, after Calcutta High Court have immediately handed over the case to the CBI, this is the second time that the BJP party or the opposition is coming out to say that she is trying to tamper with the evidence. And this is not only what the opposition is saying at this point in time. In fact, the protesting students who are sitting in strike in Arjikot today, they have been saying the same. They are saying, what is the sudden need of this kind of renovation? Now, remember, when the protest started, the students have been demanding for better infrastructure. They have been demanding for the installation of CCTV cameras, for lights. Now, these are the list of demands which the students have given, and we have seen certain kind of renovation has been going on since the last few days. Certain tube lights have been installed, CCTV cameras are being installed. Now, this is a bid by the hospital authority. They are trying to do some renovation work, while the opposition and the protesting student, they cries foul.
All right, please do continue to be with us, because we have also a lot of politics that seems to be happening over this. This has happened right after the Calcutta High Court pulled up the police, asking why did the police file a case of unnatural death despite the brutality of the crime. It also highlighted serious lapses that the principal's statement was not recorded. It observed that after a lapse of 5 days, there is still no progress that has been made in the investigation. Meanwhile, another insider, the man who was once the former deputy superintendent of the RJ Medical College, says that the principal, who has now been sent on long leave on the directions of court, actually could have been the mastermind behind the entire case.
वो बहुत ही करप्टेड आदमी है, मतलब एक माफिया राजा बोल सकते हैं। मैंने अपनी पूरे कैरियर में इतना गंदा इंसान नहीं देखा। इन्फ्लुएंशियल पावरफुल है, क्योंकि मैंने उनके अगेंस्ट में कंप्लेन किया था। मैं 2023 साल जुलाई में मैंने कंप्लेन किया था। विजिलेंस कमीशन, एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो, शास्त्री भवन हेडक्वार्टर में भी उनका ट्रांसफर भी हुआ था, लेकिन वो ट्रांसफर ऑर्डर फिर कुछ ही दिनों में रिवॉक हो गया। उनको फिर प्रिंसिपल पोस्ट पे ही दे दिया गया। तो वो सब एक मास्टरमाइंड उनका प्लान है। ये भी उनका एक प्लान था ये आई वैश और कुछ नहीं। और फिर जो है 8 घंटे के अंदर उनको नेशनल मेडिकल कॉलेज का प्रिंसिपल पोस्ट दिया गया।
The BJP, on the other hand, being in the opposition, is staging a protest outside the State Assembly demanding action and alleging cover-up by the police.
सीबीआई को शिकंजा कसना चाहिए और संदीप घोष, डॉक्टर एसपी दास, विनीत गोयल को अंडर कस्टडी करना चाहिए। ये तीनों को पहले कस्टडी कीजिए। क्यों डीएमई सुशांत रॉय, डॉक्टर ओभिक दे किस लिए 9 तारीख वहां गया था? आरजी कर में सुशांत राय, डायरेक्टर ऑफ मेडिकल एजुकेशन, एंड डॉक्टर ओभिक दे, वो दोनों किस काम के लिए उस दिन सुबह गया था? एविडेंस डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए। सीबीआई कोर्ट मॉनिटरिंग है, सीबीआई को तुरंत कार्रवाई करना चाहिए, नहीं तो जरूरत होगा तो सबके खिलाफ आवाज बंगाल की जनता उठाएगा। वी वांट रेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर।
Now, while some in the TMC have joined the protesting doctors, some in the TMC are also trivializing the protest. With the TMC Mantri Udayan Guha, who has stoked a fresh storm with his controversial post on Facebook. In that social media post, he has put out a message which roughly translates to the following, and I quote, "I support the doctors' protest, but if you are tortured by your spouse, do not then call me." And here is, as far as another TMC leader, Kunal Ghosh, who has called the protest a mere drama.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस की असली मानसिकता का परिचय आज सामने मिल रहा है, जब पूरा देश स्तब्ध है कि किस प्रकार से बंगाल में निर्भया सरीखे का एक और कांड हुआ है। उसमें न्याय दिलाने के बदले वहां पर पहले तो सबूतों को मिटाने का प्रयास किया जाता है, उसे सुसाइड बताने का प्रयास किया जाता है। उस मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल में अब रेनोवेशन वर्क करवाया जाता है ताकि वहां पर जो सबूत है वो नष्ट किए जा सके। वहां पर जिस प्रकार से वेस्ट बंगाल पुलिस का रवैया रहा, प्रशासन का रवैया रहा, इसको देखते हुए कैलकाटा हाईकोर्ट ने फटकार लगाते हुए मामले को सीबीआई को दे दिया है, परंतु न्याय दिलाने के बदले अब मजाक और मखौल उड़ाया जा रहा है और नमक रगड़ा जा रहा है। ये वैसा विषय है जिससे कि हर महिला, हर डॉक्टर और हर सही सोचने वाला व्यक्ति प्रभावित है।
Well, Tapas is also with us right now. Tapas, the politics that seems to be happening, of course, when it comes to the students and the protesting doctors, they have been saying that they don't want any politicians. They don't want their protest to be politicized in a manner that it only becomes when it comes to a talking point or a topic when it comes to political parties. How is it being viewed on ground?
Well, obviously the doctors from the day one have demanded that their protest should not be politicized and neither any party should gain any political mileage out of it. But yes, slowly and steadily we have seen that different parties have come on street protesting. The left was on from the first day. We are seeing BJP is now gearing up for a march from here from College Square area, and they'll be reaching towards RG Kar Hospital. It is a solidarity march and also a protest rally demanding immediate justice for the doctor life and who was murdered so brutally. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary will also lead a rally in Kolkata, and that will be a Congress rally. So political turn have already started taking in as far as RG Kar incident is concerned. And keeping that in mind, today an unprecedented protest rallies, multiple protest rallies, what Kolkata is going to witness at the midnight in across the West Bengal. It's not only in Kolkata, the suburban areas where the ladies would be hitting the street demanding justice for the doctor who was brutally raped and murdered. Politics have started playing already. In one hand, we had seen that condemnation coming from all the political spectrum, irrespective of the party color. But today we had seen Udayan Guha and TMC spokesperson Kunal Ghosh making some sexist comment which have not gone down well amongst the people who are protesting. So that remains a flashpoint between the ruling party and the protesting doctors. Overall, we can say that despite appeal from the protesting doctors, the protests and the entire protest march taking place in different places have already started taking a political turn now.
Well, as far as politics is concerned, but the protest that has been also being planned, we are looking at these protests that are being planned in different cities across the country simultaneously. Let's also talk about the